In this quick guide, you'll learn how to search across projects in Basecamp. Whether you're managing multiple projects or just need to locate specific information quickly, knowing how to efficiently search across your Basecamp projects can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive into it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to basecamp.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Basecamp account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Basecamp homepage where you can see all your active projects. This is the hub of your project management activities, and from here, you can access all the different features that Basecamp offers. Now, we're going to use a handy keyboard shortcut that makes searching across projects incredibly straightforward. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and J at the same time. For Mac users, this would be Command and J. This shortcut is a quick way to bring up the search function in Basecamp, bypassing the need to manually navigate through menus or tabs. It's a real time saver, especially if you're juggling multiple tasks and need to find something specific in a hurry. Once you've activated the search function with Ctrl and J, you'll see a search bar appear. This is where you can type in any keyword, phrase, or name that you're looking for. Basecamp will then scan through all your projects to find matches. It's important to use specific and relevant keywords to narrow down your search results effectively. If you're looking for a particular file, conversation, or task, including more specific details in your search can help you zero in on what you're after. As Basecamp processes your search, it will display a list of results that match your query. These results are usually organized by project, making it easier for you to identify which project the information pertains to. Take your time to go through these results. You can click on any of the items to be taken directly to the relevant section within the project. This feature is particularly useful when you're dealing with a large volume of information across various projects. Remember, practicing this search method can improve your efficiency in navigating Basecamp. Familiarizing yourself with the types of keywords and phrases that yield the best results will enhance your ability to find exactly what you need without having to sift through each project manually. And there you have it. This simple guide has shown you how to search across projects in Basecamp. With these straightforward steps, you can quickly locate any piece of information you need, making your project management experience smoother and more productive. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.